little hard plastic. This is great if you're traveling or you do your makeup in the car or wherever. So you get this one. It's a nice soft tipped, so you could be blending your makeup, your foundation. You open it, surprise, there's a beautiful pink brush underneath. That's great for blush, loose powder, all the things. And you're like, okay, well, how does it go back in together? So then this bottom part goes like that. That takes it like that, and then you just clip it in like so, boom. So it's got these hidden brushes in there, which I think is so cool. So you get a little hidden brush with that. And then this over here, all these little brushes, each one has its own little slot here, and you have a little slanted one. There's another one. You could do your eyeliner with this one if you have a liquid eyeliner or a gel eyebrow. And then you have a couple bigger brushes right here. These are very soft, good for blending. And then you have one more here. So you're gonna get all these little tiny brushes. They each have a little home in this plastic carry case. So a little slot for every single one of them. And then you also get the big one, which has a secret hidden one inside, and that goes there. Everything goes all together, protected, perfect for on-the-go makeup, and good just because it doesn't take up a ton of space. So I like how it stays organized. It's its own little organizer. It's awesome. So definitely check this out. It's a super cute little kit.